They say streaming has killed traditional TV, but in 2026 live TV streaming is more complicated than ever. With so many services competing, picking the right one can feel like a gamble. Two big names you should compare: Hulu plus Live TV, or Hulu TV and DirectTV-stream. One is known for combining streaming and cable-style channels. The other tries to mimic cable entirely but in the streaming world. So before you subscribe, let's break down which one might be better for you. Hulu TV is a hybrid. It combines Hulu's massive on-demand library with live TV channels. That means you can watch your favorite shows, stream new ones, and also tune in to live news, sports, and basic cable. It's perfect if you want variety, streaming originals plus the comfort of traditional channels. Its DVR is solid, and you can pause, rewind, or record shows. But the live TV plan also comes with a pretty steep monthly price. On the other hand, DirectTV-stream feels much more like old-school cable, but without the physical box. You get a ton of major networks, premium channels, sports, news, and a high tier even offers 4K streaming. Their cloud DVR is powerful, and they let you stream on multiple devices. For people who want a cable replacement, something familiar but more flexible, this could be a strong option. Now let's talk price. Hulu TV is expensive for what you get, but when you compare it to cable, it still saves money. The trick is that Hulu often bundles Hulu, Disney+, and ESPN. So if you already use those, it might feel more justifiable. However, if you're only interested in live TV, paying full price can feel steep. DirectTV-stream, meanwhile, charges even more depending on your plan. The base plan is solid, but if you want everything, sports, premium, local networks, you could end up paying a lot. And while streaming saves you from a set-top box, the higher price plans are not cheap. That said, for many the value comes from having nearly everything in one place. When it comes to content, Hulu TV gives you the best of both worlds. Streaming originals, on-demand library plus live TV. But its live channels lineup isn't as comprehensive as cable, and some local channels may be missing. DirectTV-stream, in contrast, offers a broad selection of live networks, including major national and regional stations, more sports, and premium options. It's more robust when it comes to live TV, but less focused on original streaming content. Performance is another factor. Hulu's app is polished, fast, and integrates on-demand and live seamlessly. But when networks are heavily used, live streams can sometimes lag or buffer. DirectTV-stream is also reliable, but because it handles so much live content, especially high-quality sports, you'll want a strong internet connection, especially during big events. On usability, Hulu is very intuitive. You navigate between streaming and live TV easily, with familiar menus. DirectTV-stream might feel a little more complex because it mirrors cable-like features, multiple tiers, channel lists, DVR, and premium add-ons. But for users who are used to cable, that complexity might actually feel like home. Customer support matters too. Hulu support is decent, but mostly self-service. Email, chat, and forums are the go-to. DirectTV-stream, being a more cable-like service, offers more live support and traditional customer care, which can make a difference if something goes wrong with your favorite channel. So, which one should you pick in 2026? If you want a balance of on-demand content, original shows, and reasonably priced live TV, Hulu TV is a fantastic option. It feels modern, multi-platform, and flexible. But if you want something closer to traditional cable television, with lots of live channels, sports, and a full live TV experience, DirectTV-stream is probably the better choice for you. My verdict: for casual streamers and fans of original content, Hulu TV wins. For power users who want a complete live TV replacement, DirectTV-stream is the way to go. If this review helped you, leave a like, comment, or share it with someone who's trying to choose between these two. Streaming smart means knowing exactly what you're getting.